Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this practical series on computer science with Python. So let's start with our practical number 6. In this we have to write a program to write a random number generated that generates random numbers between 1 and 6 which simulates a dice. So in this we have to import random. So let's start with our practical. So I will go to my browser and I will open Colab. So I will just open this Colab here, new notebook. I will rename this file as CS practical number 6. Once done, I will write practical numbers. I will write a random number generator that generates random numbers between 1 and 6. It simulates a dice. So in order to do this, we have to import random. Then we have to write while true. It should be capital and other values should be small. Yeah. And we will print equal to just one. We will print here equal to as a string, and I will print this suppose 50 times. Then I will print this one. If I execute this program till now, I will get this. So I'm getting this one. Okay, then suppose I want to print this one, then I will just simply rolling the dice. Again I will write this one, so it's a string, so I will get this one. So now if I print this one again 74 times, equal to into 70 times. Okay, and I will write number equal to it from 1 to 6. It will be random. Okay, so I will use random dot randint. It should be from 1 to 6. Now I will use if elif condition here. If number equal to 6, it will print congratulations, you got a 6. Else or elif we can use. So elif number 1 equal to 1, print, oops, you got 1. Number 6 and 1 I'm giving condition, but else it will print the number whatever you get. Print you got num. Now I will enter a choice ch, then we have input, so roll again, yes or no. And I can write if ch, everything will be in small. If ch in capital N or small n, it will break the loop. And in the end we will have a message. Print thanks for playing. If we don't put a break here, the loop will keeps on running. So that's why it is necessary to break the loop. So now let's again execute this program. So I'm getting syntax error if num equal to 6. Okay. So here we have to write this one. Now if I just execute again, so this error is coming in line 10. Okay. So if num equal to 6, so we have to put a dots. Okay. So this is our like rolling the dice. If you want to keep it some clean, so I just need to extend it some. Suppose if I 70, or I can just write 80 here. 80. And since we have to take it in the middle, so I can just add some more stars here. Okay, let's re-execute this. Okay. So you got 5. Roll again. If I press Y, then I will get a chance to play again. So you got 4. So I will get this number randomly. So I will just press Y and enter. So I will again get, you got 5. So roll again, yes or no. So, now you have get 1. So it's reflecting, oops, you got 1. So if I want to play again, I will press Y. So I'm getting this. You got 5. Roll again. If I press Y, so this is randomly. You got 2. So you roll again. So I don't want to play anymore. So I will just press N. So as you know that after pressing N, I'm not getting the message which I want. So if choice is an N, break, print, thanks for playing. So this print has to be here. Now if I shift enter, you got 3. Okay. So if I press Y, then I will get 2 again. Then again I am pressing Y. Then I am getting 4 again. If I press Y, and this time I've got a 6. So congratulations, you got 6. So if I press Y again, so you got 2. Roll again, yes. Roll again, I got a 6 time. Okay. So I don't want to play more. So I will press N. Let's see. So as soon as I get press 1, it breaks out of the loop. I just want to after and print thanks for playing. This has to be from here. Okay. Once it becomes how to look. Let's try once more. Roll again. Yes. So I've got a 4. Roll again. I will get 1. Roll again. I will get 4. Roll again. I got 1. Oops. You got 1. Okay, it's 6. Congratulations, you got 6. So it is coming randomly. So once I press N, then it is thanks for playing. Okay. So this way you can create a rolling the dice. So if you want to just enhance this, you can just make it 100, or you can reduce some here and just remove some stars from here and make it 100 here. Execute this time I'm getting this one. Okay, so this way you can decorate that rolling the dice as you like it. You got 6. If I play it again, yes, if I press N, then it will come thanks for playing. Okay, so this way you can create rolling the dice. So this is the final program. See you in the next practical. Thank you.